How is your relationship with money? How often do you think about money? How many times have you had more month at the end of your money? I'm Arif Gilany, the founder of the Morgan Gilany Group and the Camel Company of Canada. This is the Ministry of Miracles, where I introduce you to resources to empower your future. What if I told you there's $10,000 right here ready for you? All you have to do is to register on the link below. Get a 15-minute consultation with one of our advisors, where you learn to see if you qualify to get this money in your hands, in your business. After 10 years of financial services, we know the statistics. I was an advisor. I sat down with multiple families from different backgrounds, from skilled workers to nurses across Canada. And what I found out was that most people get into a career at around age of 25. Many college graduates, about 75%, are not working in their field at all. And to get some career advice, I was a financial educational advisor with Trials College, where I learned opportunities, learned systems, and learned qualifications, and a lot of online systems that we're implementing at Wifter University in collaboration with the Morgan Gilany Group. Ladies and gentlemen, your relationship with money is a really important topic. If you stay to the end of this video, I will share opportunities with you that you can start changing your mindset about money. When was the last time you talked with your kids about money? When was the last time that you sat down and took a deep breath before you even go to the store? One of my mentors told me, Arif, keep your cards close to your chest, because there's a lot of people passing by, idle minds, who will put a wheel in your, who will put a stick in your wheel. Sometimes life will put a stick in your wheel. It is known, research, that they said if all the money in the world was distributed amongst everybody in the world equally, everybody got an equal share, within 5 years all of the money would be in exactly the same hands. Ladies and gentlemen, this is no joke. This is no coincidence. It's research. You can Google it, you can check it. The purpose of creating this team to help us get resources from government grants for students and newcomers to small business loans. Maybe your business will qualify for this $10,000 grant if you take 15 minutes to go through a free consultation. That's what I did. And this is what I got. Your business, your family, your future needs this money, and the government knows that, and they're putting it on the table right now before March 22nd. On March 23rd, we will be celebrating the Kurdish New Year at the Armenian Community Center right here on 401 and Victoria Park. And we have 5 minutes to showcase some unique businesses that are helping us to take these resources to our communities. And we'll be introducing them on the stage right there with a short 1-minute elevator message from the president and CEO of our company, Mr. Kumar Misir, in English. I will be speaking in Kurdish, talking to my colleagues, talking to my friends, talking to my community, and letting them know that these resources are available and you can get them and find them anywhere. Ladies and gentlemen, we're running a 90-day program, 13 weeks, 1.5 hour each week, with certain assignments that will revolutionize your life, transform your entrepreneurial journey at the Morgan Gilany Group, because we have the right resources, we have the right management team, we have the right technology team, and we have products and services that are needed all over the world, particularly here in this cold country of Canada. How many are suffering from knee pain, back pain? The spring is coming out. I hope you take this challenge outside like we do. I love to play sports, hang out with younger people, half of my age, and compete and kick their behind because they have no discipline. Ladies and gentlemen, within 90 days, we will align your business, your mind, your body with the ways of nature, and you will develop disciplines that you can take to the bank for the rest of your life. All you need is 15 minutes of your time to sit down and to talk with a trusted consultant at the Morgan Gilany Group, right here in beautiful Toronto, established to bring you resources, to empower your future, to build communities of like-minded, positive people who are solution-oriented. I know your mind is bugged. I did presentations throughout North America talking with a variety of backgrounds of people, from nurses to plumbers to doctors and all kinds of people. Today we bring in resources, and we're going to have a celebration to celebrate some of our success stories. Yours could be one of them. I know people are under mental, physical, and emotional stress. I deal with people every day, but I don't take their problems and make them my own. So you can complain for next 24 hours and nobody would listen, really. People are too busy with their own problems. They don't have time for yours. We will put 15 minutes of our time to listen to your story, to listen to your business endeavor, to listen to your creativity. Within 90 days, we will put seeds in place and provide the environment where you can blossom, your business can take roots, and your ideas can be on a written plan, and the investors will be ready to put the money in your account, and you can test this out within the next 90 days. In the past 6 months, I traveled Canada to find the best resources and did online Zooms with variety people from around the world to bring you these resources, ladies and gentlemen. This comes from as an inspiration from Maulana Jalaluddin Rumi. We're going to bring you some wisdom from the East, blended with some positive messages from my teachers from the West, like Napoleon Hill, which I spent through their videos and through their audios and through their, visuals and everything else, a world every single day. I consider myself a growing human being. We are human becoming. Every day you can grow to be smarter, wiser, better than yesterday. You need some accountability in place. You need some challenges in front of you. You need some mentorship. You need some resources. You need some cash, my friends. I don't know how else to create miracles for you. If you have any challenges regarding money, and I had all of these challenges. This is all new resources that we are finding for you to take your life into another level. But remember, if you distribute all the money in the world equally amongst everybody, in 5 years, it will end up in the same hands. I want you to make a comment. Tell me, why is that? We're cleaning up our records. We're learning how to improve our credits. We're learning how to fund our companies. We're learning how to build entrepreneurship challenges. And we're learning how to build communities of global entrepreneurs that are willing to take 90 days to change their mindset to new insight. Ladies and gentlemen, you need new ways of thinking. So do I. This inspiration has come from a connectivity to all of the sources of power that you can think of, including God Himself. Every religion promotes love and fear. Spirits calling into a realm of awareness to find your purpose, to find out why you're here at this time and this particular time in history. Why do you live in Canada? Why did you have the opportunity to come to Canada, Arif Gilany, not millions of other people from around the world? Are you taking this opportunity for granted? When I go up in heaven, when it's my last day, I want to have a proud answer to tell my Lord, my Maker, my God, my Creator, my Allah. What about you? What's your purpose in life? Join us this Thursday at 7 p.m. where we talk adult words like responsibility, like learning, like unlearning, like relearning, like resources, like inspiration, like opportunity. That's the environment I had created with multiple companies, and now I have the honor, the pleasure to be the CCO. I'm the Chief Creative Officer. I'm not this money manager. Every piece of money goes through company accounts, and we have people who are money managers. We don't need to worry about ourselves about money. We are creating people's dreams and making them into reality. We're coaching, we're mentoring, we're teaching, and we're spending time, money, and resources on building teams around the world. You can join us today. Thank you for watching.